Dirt bikes, buggies, side-by-sides, 4x4s, even RVs. Those have been the rides of choice for Charlene Bauer. She is our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. Now, she's been doing this her whole life, and she's been working in the off-road industry for nearly 30 years. And she is the real deal, believe me. Charlene has won the Rebel Rally and a number of other events, and she has a ton of certifications and honors too. The Off-Road Motorsports Hall of Fame named her the 2016 Industry Rising Star, and she also won the Hall of Fame's 2018 Advocacy Impact Award. And I bet there's a whole lot more accolades to come because Charlene now runs Bauer Motorsports Media, and she's also created the Ladies Off-Road Network. Now that includes an online series and in-person classes that give women a safe space to learn all about off-roading, from simple to complex tools, skills, and tips. You spend 5 minutes talking to Charlene and you'll see that she wants everyone to learn about and enjoy off-roading just like she does, and that makes Charlene Bauer our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. Now, if you want to be Motorhead of the Week or you know someone who should be, send us a note, go to motorheadgarage.tv and tell us the story. And if you have a product you want to see featured here on the show, show it to the world. We'll get you here in the studio. We're going to do this again next week. We hope you join us then. From our entire crew here at Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. We'll see you next week. Drive safely.